welcome to Gallery Tots. My name is Tess and I'm an educator at Geelong Gallery. Today we're going to be learning about tone and how we can use tone to experiment with colour when creating our own paintings. Australian artist Clarice Beckett often used tone in her paintings to capture the mood of weather or the sky at a particular time of day. To experiment with tone in your own painting, you will need an art smock, some paper, coloured paints and grey paint, a paintbrush, and a palette. If you don't have any grey paint, you can create your own by mixing white and black paint together. You can then create tones of colour by adding the grey paint to a different colour paint of your choice. As you mix the paints together, notice how the tone of the colour changes. It may appear muted, muddy, foggy, or softer than the original colour. You can create a variety of tones by adding different portions or shades of grey to your coloured paint. This is a great technique for capturing the colour of a rainy day or the differing light of day. Have a look outside your window. Can you experiment with tone too and create the colour of the sky you see?